Here's very interesting app called Level Social Fitness Network. It's climbing in the charts super fast during this holiday season, and let's just take a look at it. So this app is kind of like a social network for weightlifting, but also for fitness, and it also has a lot of gamification elements where you're just doing your workouts, but seems like you are also playing in the game, but also you are sharing this experience, like your achievements with your friends, and you unlock a lot of badges and on all of that. So if you just go here on the home screen, you just see your profile. Super easy to create your profile. You can edit it later. You can just sign up with email and password. So yeah, and then here you see all your number of workouts which you can add. You can just tap on it. You can see your performance overview. You can see how many, like, total volume of kilograms you weightlifted, time in the gym, volume over time, workouts over time, over 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, workout history. You can also see it here. So yeah, kind of cool. Then you see here some of your trophies which you can add to your profile. You earn trophies by completing some of the challenges. So if you log like 10 unique exercises, you will, for example, add this jack of all trades or some other ones. Yeah, pretty cool. So anyhow, that's your profile. Then you can just add friends. You can view your friends. You can see your requests pending. You can also tap add friends, and then a lot of profiles here. Actually, quite a lot of users already. You can just search them by username. So this is my account, but then you can just add some other profiles from here. So you can just tab it. And then yeah, you can see number of workouts, total volume, time in gym, and then you can block report it. So yeah, just that's how you add a friend basically. Then you can see also your friends' activity, similar like a news feed, or like Instagram feed, and then you will see who did which workout when, like how many kilograms they lifted. So it's quite fun actually. If you're doing a lot of workouts, you can say, oh, my friend just went to the gym and he lifted this many kilograms. This can be quite a lot of fun. And then yeah, this is the main tab. This is how you just add your workout. So here you have my workouts, exercise bank. Exercise bank, this is actually one of the coolest thing about these apps. They just have a lot of exercises which you can just filter it out, and you can just add it out from here. So for example, you just have this exercise, and then you can just go here and see it and filter out. And then so then you can just go to the specific date and then just tap a workout. You can also add a rest day, or you can just add another workout name. You can add it from here, and then that's how you add a workout. Then you can just save workout. Oops. So there are some kind of a lot of some design and UI issues here in this app. It's in the active process of development, so yes, I can't change it for some reason, but whatever. But then yeah, you can just add a workout. For example, you can just add rest here. You can change your mind, and then you can just add a freestyle workout. You can plan it out. So yeah, because I already added a workout for today. So you can see, for example, that's my workout. I can see the review, and yeah, that's how, like, I just add number of reps, I just add my weight, and that's you can see which primary muscles are there. This is just like a test idea for you to have a look. That's how it looks like. And then yeah, then if you want, you can just send a feedback on the feedback page. And then the cool thing is that you can refer a friend and receive some VIP credits. So you will receive a month of silver VIP access for every friend who downloads the app and redeems your code. Users will be limited to 6 free VIP credits. So use this opportunity, use my code. It wasn't redeemed by anyone yet, so you can just go redeem code and then just enter my code. So if you do that and input your friend's referral code to unlock a month of silver VIP access for you and the person who referred you. So if you just do it right now, we both will get months of silver VIP subscription for free. So just again, use this code 6FDMRLUMX1MJ. So that's where you can use it. And then the cool part is also they have streaks. You can grow your streaks, you can keep your streaks, you can have streak multipliers similar as in games or in Duolingo, some other apps. And obviously you have all these trophies. And yeah, then you have your profile in top right. I don't know how to delete your profile. Seems it's not possible easily. You can change your username, change your country, change your main gym. You can just enter it here, enter your weight, measurement system, change your profile picture. So yeah, as I said, there are a lot of still things which need to be done in this app, but here is just what it is. And yeah, some users are asking me like whether this app is available on Android. Not yet. So you can't find it on the Google Play Store yet, but hopefully it will be on Android soon. I've heard it is like in active development. Maybe even in January it will be there. But for now, it is only on iOS. So you need to go and find this app, Level Social Fitness Network by Level Up App Studios LLC. So not that many reviews yet, but all of them quite positive. Bad gym app, this is the coolest gym app ever. The bad fitness app. Please add smartwatch integration. Great app, easy to use, absolutely love it. Very helpful. They are super smooth UI, tons of useful features every lifter needs. So this app is actually quite popular among like weightlifting community, what I can understand. So yeah, right off the gate, this app is very well put together and simple. It is a must-have if you want to plan your workout. And also, of course, the cool part is that, as you have seen, I'm just using most of it for free. Like, there wasn't any banner to upgrade and all of that, because a lot of fitness apps, even like simplest fitness planning apps, require some kind of paid subscription. So yeah, that's this app is kind of free. So there you have it.